Hey y'all, my name is Tanner, and I had to get on here and talk about how much we love our new sink. So when our sink started leaking last year, we needed something that was going to get here quick, going to be easy to install, and also going to be cost effective. And this checked every single box. So absolutely love this for a lot of reasons, but my favorite part about it has to be this little ledge that it has on both sides, and then it comes with this strainer. And then it also comes with this cutting board. So they just sit nicely here on the sink. They're easy to store, but you can wash and strain your fruits, veggies, whatever you need to wash right here. And this just rolls up and stores away easily, and then you can use the cutting board for whatever you need there. But I really love the white color. I love the sleek design. It's just nice and clean looking, super high quality, and like I said, an amazing price. So if you're looking for a functional sink, this is the most amazing option. We really, really love it.